Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I'm telling about the Capgemini onboarding and the joining news. There is a good information about the Capgemini has announced the new date of joining. Regarding the information, recently they have announced the date of joining for the role of a candidate and all the instruction in a mail. The company had sent the mail with the candidate regarding the information about the next date of joining, and after that there will be the more date of joining in candidate in a phases manner. So this is the Capgemini second time that they have announced the date of joining in news regarding the information about the onboarding and joining in a phases manner. So for the May session, there is a good information regarding the Capgemini, and mphasis also have announced the two date regarding the information like the 10th May and 23rd May, and this is the information in a Capgemini. So I hope that you will like my video and subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog, or press the bell icon for notification. Let's go to the video. This is the mail from the company side that greeting from the Capgemini. We are glad to inform you that we have finalized your onboarding schedule. That company has finalized the onboarding schedule because they have noted all the candidates in candidate requirement in a position where they will want to need the requirement of the candidate. So please find your below onboarding detail, joining instruction. We accept your read and understand the following detail. After offer acceptance, new employee wizard. Post receiving the offer letter, you will need to accept the offer on the portal as per the detail provided in the offer letter. You will also need. So guys, there is information regarding this offer letter acceptance. So guys, you have to go to the portal where you have to receive the offer letter and instructs the information what they want it from your side, like the documentation or something like that, what they want. So in a like that, so you have to get your information in your email. If you get not the information in email, you can check it on your spam folder also, like that many candidate receive in a spam folder also their offer letter. So this is the good information regarding the information what the company need. The instruction under on heating mode of onboarding, there is a physical onboarding mode of training, there is a physical mode of training also, and date of onboarding is the 23rd May 2023. This is a date announced by the company. Many company has announced the date is the 23rd May, like that mphasis announced the 23rd May. Wipro is Wipro not sorry Capgemini announced the 23rd May. And this is the information about the Accenture also the 5th June. Onboarding training location will be the Bangalore location. Capgemini, Diversity Tech Park. This is all the address you have received from the letter below. Address of training location Capgemini, Karnataka, Bangalore. Reporting time will be the 8:30 a.m. Post your training program. The final work of office plan will be the updated as per the business requirement. You may be required to work from office regularly, virtually, or hybrid model. So guys, this is the you have in your information. So you have to need this. What do you want to come to company side? So this is the information from the reporting time, address, training location, and the onboarding location. So this is the good news for the Capgemini candidate who have selected and waited for the last 6 to 7 months, or they have just waited for the offer letter. There will be no onboarding news. So this is the first onboarding news regarding the Capgemini. So this is, I think, so good news very well for the students. So this is all the information carry with your offer letter, and I think so you like my video. Also subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog.